Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to reduce ping in Genshin Impact on your mobile device or your tablets. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device has a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is preferred over mobile data, so make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Avoid playing far from the router. Once you have a strong connection, make sure to close all the background application. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and bring up the app switcher. If there is any other running background apps, then make sure to close them all. After making sure you have closed off all of the background running apps, the next thing you can do is to enable low resolution or optimized graphics. Go ahead and tap on the Paimon icon at the top left while you are in the game and then click on the settings icon. Inside settings, select graphics. Under graphics, select the graphic quality drop-down and make sure to choose the lowest graphic. Lowering resolution slightly can reduce lag caused by processing, which indirectly helps network performance. If that still doesn't work for you, then you can also try rebooting your router. Sometimes a simple router restart or reconnecting to your mobile hotspot can improve the ping issue. If you are using the VPN, then make sure it's a low latency VPN, otherwise it can make your ping worse. So those were some of the tips you can follow if you ever want to reduce ping while playing the Genshin Impact game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.